Bro, I'm hella disappointed. I'm not gonna lie. Probably not gonna eat this. Probably gonna toss this away. Feed it to the birds. I'm getting crust all over the place. It's nice and crusty. Nice and warm. It's fresh. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Machiavelli back again with another video. So I was scrolling around on Instagram today and I seen an ad about a new beef patty place that just opened up. It's called Roywoods Patties. It's downtown in Toronto by Dundas station. I think it's called TMU station now. As you can see, we're DT. So the plan is, we're gonna pull up to TMU station. We're gonna grab a couple patties. I'm gonna let you guys know what that place is talking about. All right, so we're over here by Dundas station. Couldn't find any parking, so I had to park on the ground. Whew. Cold out here. There's so many different entrances to this place that I fucked around and got lost. Alright, so we're finally at the spot. It took me a minute, couldn't find it, so yeah, we're here. You waiting?
Yeah.
What's up, man? You guys still have the beef patties you're giving out today?
No, it's the time is gone.
The time is gone. Are you still selling them though?
Yeah, we're selling it.
All right. What flavors do you have here?
Just these, the classic ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, today because we have the promotion today.
Yeah.
We only have the beef, but everything we eat today.
Yeah.
Also, patties, jerky chicken, well, veggies, and shrimp, curry shrimp.
Okay, so you only have beef patty today.
Today, yes.
Okay.
We have the opening of the promotion.
Okay. Do you have cocoa bread?
Yes, we do.
All right. So let me get 3 beef patties and 1 cocoa bread.
Sure, no problem.
So you said 2 beef patties?
2 beef patties? No, 3 beef patties and 1 cocoa bread.
Which one? The patty is it spicy one? Or?
You have spicy? Just give me spicy.
Yeah.
That's all you have is the beef patty today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, just give me the spicy.
Okay.
Give me 3 spicy and let me see cocoa bread, and that's it.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have everything.
Okay, okay.
There you go.
Pardon? Only beef patties today. After tomorrow, everything.
Yeah.
So just beef today or just beef? Free, yeah. I came for it too, but it's done right now. They don't have it.
Done? Yeah, just.
I didn't know they didn't see them.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna ask him if he's gonna be.
Come all the way.
You came all the way here? Me too, man. Yeah. Came here to try it, you know?
Thank you.
All right, respect.
Take care.
All right, so we got a beef patty. Head back upstairs. We're gonna test that shit out. All right, so we're back in the V and we got the Roywoods beef patties right here with us. This is what the packaging looks like. Decent packaging. Okay, I ordered 3 beef patties and 1 cocoa bread. Okay. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so they gave me. So I did end up getting a free patty. When I went there, they're kind of moving stingy. They didn't want to give out the free patties. Like, how you gonna advertise a day for opening and saying that you're gonna give out free patties, and when you get there, they're like, oh, the special's done. But the Chinaman beside me, I guess they crap when they see the Chinaman and ended up just giving it to both of us. But yeah, this is what the patty's looking like. Oh, okay, this is the one with the cocoa bread. Okay, they all have cocoa bread. Okay, they hooked it up. They hooked it up still. I forgive them. They hooked it up. So let me take this out. Put this in here. Well, actually, you know what? We're gonna do the cocoa bread first. This is what the cocoa bread is looking like. It smells fresh. It's soft. It's a little buttery, you can tell. It's a popper bun. It's kind of flat now because I kind of had it laid down, but it's all right. Not the best bun. There's a little buttery taste to it. It feels like it could have been a little bit more fresh. But I give the bun like a 7 out of 10. It's an all right bun. Nothing special, nothing exotic. All right, so this is what we're here for. Roywoods new patty. at Dundas station. You guys see that? This is what the patty's looking like. All right, fuck. About to get messy in here. This is the spicy one. They did not have any other patty, just a spicy patty for opening day, unfortunately. So if I like this one, I might go back and try the other flavors that they have. As you can see, holy shit. I'm getting crust all over the place. It's nice and crusty, nice and warm. It's fresh, as you can see. See the flakes, guys? Nice size looking patty. It feels like there's a decent amount of meat in there. All right, rip this bitch open, give it a taste. Actually, yeah, let me rip it open first and see what the inside looks like. You guys see that? This is what the inside is looking like. Put that together. There you go. That's what the inside is looking like. They didn't skimp on the meat. They did not skip on the meat at all, unlike some other beef patties. All right, let me take a bite. All right. The crust is flaky. It's a solid crust. The meat, you guys see that? The meat, got a spice to it. It's spicy. It's seasoned, but not too seasoned. It feels like it could have been a little bit more seasoned, to be honest. The beef, the texture of the beef, it's all right. It's not bad. The texture's not bad. Flavor-wise, on a scale of 1 to 10, what I give this, I mean, I've had better. I'm gonna be honest. This is definitely not the best patty in Toronto. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. Would I give this beef patty out of 10? Roywoods patty? I'm gonna give him like a... This patty, I'm gonna give this patty like a 7.5 out of 10. It's not the best. It's not the worst. I see what they're trying to do here, but it could have been better. Let me open that up and show you guys what it looks like exactly inside. You guys see that? You guys see that? The meat's kind of on like the brighter side. Usually like when you get beef patties, it's a little bit more darker. This is more like on the browner side. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like I said, it's all right, but would I go downtown and grab this again just for this? Hell no. So like I said, this beef patty here, I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Nothing special. The more I bite into it, the more the heat kind of picks up, but it doesn't supplement for the lack of flavor that it has. I put this patty in the same category as like a Tino's. I'd say like a Tino's patty. If you're looking for something like along like the lines of like Tino's patty, you'll love this. Compare this to a Randy's or a Patty Time, there's no comparison. Patty Time, Randy's, would shit on this patty any day. Now let's try the patty with the cocoa bread. See what it's hitting on. Like I said, these guys did not skip when it comes to the meat. It's not too much, but it's not too little. I'm not feeling this though, by the way. I'm not feeling this. I don't know what it is, but this patty with this cocoa bread, I don't know if it's the cocoa. Okay, you know what it is? The cocoa bread lacks flavor and the beef patty lacks flavor, so it feels like I'm just eating a big bite of bread. No, I can't finish this though. Not eating this. This combination with this patty and this cocoa bread, what I give this, I give this like a 5.5 out of 10. Definitely wouldn't go back for this either. Roywoods, I see what you guys are trying to do, but you didn't pull it off properly. You guys gotta up your seasoning or switch your seasoning up on this because I'm just not feeling this. To travel all the way downtown to try this and be disappointed like this, it's kind of fucked up. Overall, when I give the place, I'll give it, man, 5 out of 10. They're mediocre. Bro, I'm hella disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. But that's the end of the video, guys. I'm probably not gonna eat this. Probably gonna toss this away. Feed it to the birds. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. It's Machiavelli, and I'm out.